Hello everybody, this is Stonewall, and I've been playing quite a bit this morning, trying to take as much advantage of the tier boost and the double XP, double weapon XP as I can. I actually prestiged this one early, and I was level 8 already. But what we're doing today is getting the Switchblade Gold. Now, the most painful part of this is that I won't be able to run this camo anymore. And the reason for that is if I go over here to camos, it is no longer here. I think whenever these guns first came out, they were automatically given some of the previous camos, and that was this one. The race camo was one of them, but now it's no longer here. So I've just left it on there because I know if I take it off, I won't be able to put it back. However, once we get gold, we'll put that on there and we'll take a look at it. So, all I've got left is one more Bloodthirsty and 19 kills with all the attachments on it. So I'm running, of course, Reflex, Quick Draw, Rapid Fire 1 and 2, Grip, and Hybrid Mags. So it's a pretty nice setup, kills fairly quickly, all of that stuff. The other thing I've been playing with is the Demon, and I may have a reactive camo video coming up, but that one might take a little bit longer. It's actually one of the more involved ones, 25 objective kills, so that one will take a little bit longer to do. So let's jump into some gameplay here and get this thing gold. This one's already in progress. Wow, the one I was going to pick is not available.
Mission is live,
Just crash, and it picked the wrong class. We're a little ways into this one. Really wish you could just change class. I don't know why that's not a thing. Now, I do understand once you've been in that life for a little bit, that would be kind of cheating to automatically change it out. But, yeah, that'd be kind of nice.
Destroyed.
Ooh, I was not paying much attention. I was just running. That could have been bad. Our teammates are getting all of these streaks in and tearing people apart here. Just heard my teammate. They're not running dead silence for some reason. And we're gonna grab ammo. This is not exactly what I had in mind, but if I'm on a roll, then I will try to stay on a roll. Ooh, almost killed myself. Oh, in the back. Got a Bloodthirsty though. Now let's see if we can get some stuff going with the Switchblade. The problem is, if I had gotten this to begin with, I would have, yeah, definitely would have gotten a gold this match. But we'll just have to see how this goes. 18 more kills.
Wasted profit. War machines up.
UAV available for tasking.
Hello.
Supplies. First come, first serve.
What in the world is happening here? Oh, wrong one. I didn't quite want to call that in yet, mainly because I've got guys basically on top of me who are not paying much attention to what they are doing. Wow. Let's see here. See, I wanted to run Crash because I know how quickly I can run through ammo. And, yeah, I'm running into that now. I've got less than a magazine left. But there is a... Please don't go away before I get there. There we go. Alright. Now we put them. So yeah, it has been a while since I have played as much as I have before I recorded this, so I'm definitely good and warmed up. Here lately, I've just been getting the daily login bonus, well, the daily tier skip, and that's about it. Get on target. That was pitiful. Got me a UAV. There, over this way.
Seraph gone.
Pre-fired too soon. Gave away my position. Let's see, what am I doing? I'm at 16 and 2. I'll take it. That's a bit close. No, 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 no. Those dogs have so much health. I actually saw the other day I was playing, and there was a dog that got 3 in a row in the kill feed. Just nasty. Hey, I got rid of the dog.
Clean kill.
Don't run around the corner while reloading.
Cluster grenade going out.
Oh, teammate got him. Ooh, I should not have survived that.
We're all over. Take the win. UAV overflight.
Wow. This match is almost over. Oh, so close. Almost had that kill.
No mad wave.
Hey, there's a bloodthirsty.
Torch flash.
Smoke going out. Mission clock is running down.
Drop it in.
Need the kills. No. Oh, I don't know how close that was. I didn't pick up that last tag, mainly because I wanted to make sure I got the kills. But we'll see how close I was. Hey, I got the final. Yeah, you might could tell a difference in that gameplay a little bit. I went 28 and 3. Yeah, I've played a little bit more today. Level up. That double XP is really nice. Not that I get much out of leveling up. Hey, I did get it. I just wasn't paying attention that much. Alright, I will take it. Got diamond for the Switchblade. I actually leveled up the demon again. I got gold there. Alright, let me back out of this lobby before it throws me in a game like I've done before. Alright, so I did get the SWAT gold before, and I think I showed it in my highlight reel video, but didn't show it in a gameplay or in a video like this. So the nice thing is, once you get one of the DLC weapons, that's just kind of what I call them. They're from the Contraband stream, and that's what they've traditionally been called. It's DLC, downloadable content, that's added after a game launches. Anyways, once you get gold unlocked, then it automatically gives you diamond and dark matter if you already have all of the other weapons in that category gold, like I do. So that was a really nice match to get that done on 28 and 3. You know what? I don't have to equip this. So triple kill, and Fury Kill. And I think I've shown some of these before. This one basically gives you all the colors of the rainbow as you go through, and eventually this crazy animation if you get 30 kills in a match, which it's doable depending on the game type. Not as often in something like TDM, but domination, hardpoint, some of those are a little bit more common. Some of these I think are a little bit over the top with the flare that it gives, because that would be really distracting to try to play with. I don't play with dark matter much, and that's part of the reason why. It looks awesome. This last stage is basically the same as Black Ops 3 dark matter, I believe, or really close to it. The black and purple colors, but I really like that. The 20 and 25 though are probably my least favorite, just because of how bright they are. Start of the game, 5 kills. Is there actually a difference there? Not showing up there anyways. But yeah, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. That is getting gold camo on the Switchblade. Now, I will say this is a very nice SMG. One of the best attachments for it out of all of them is hybrid mags, just because the magazine size is kind of small and it's a pretty quick fire rate. Rapid fire is really nice for dropping people quickly. Quick draw for handling. Just, I don't know that there's any attachments that you really go wrong with. Stabilizer I haven't used much. Most guns don't suffer from sway that much outside of the snipers. FMJ is really nice just because of how many shots it takes when somebody's running armor. Generally with SMGs it's at least 1, sometimes 2 extra shots to kill, which greatly increases your time to kill. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed that. If there's something else you want to see me do, of course I do have a reactive camo to unlock. And actually, while I'm talking about that, I'll show you. Let's see, do I have a class set up with it? I guess not. Let me change this out. I got the new Mark II, well, not new, but the Mark II for the SG-12. This has been in the reserves since the first operation, if I remember correctly, and I finally unlocked it. And pretty cool to have that finally, and it came with this reactive camo, so that's the one I've got left to unlock there. Alright, so anyways, this is Stonewall signing off, and I'll see you in another video.